Every time debugging is the most frustrating part of coding because every time we hit an error, we break our flow. We switch context to the browser and blindly paste errors without learning anything, literally without learning anything. We just say like this. It says module not found, and if a beginner developer is like cloning a repo and learning how to solve this, he just copy paste the error and just fix it, right? Like this, and got the actual fix. But the main problem is the new developer never uh, debug the actual error themselves, right? So if they don't debug this themselves, then they're not going to learn the core skill of a developer, that is debugging, right? So we build errlocal, which actually does not give you the whole explanation or fix your code, but it literally gives you some hints, like in sequence of hints, like hint 1 and 2 and then 3, so that you can try first yourself and then only the AI is going to help you. Now let's run the same failing command through errlocal. Instead of a messy error log, errlocal intercepts the crash, reads the actual code file where it happened, and pauses execution to give you control. If you select explain, we don't just give you the answer. We errlocal uses Groq to generate progressive bite-sized hints. This guides developers to solve the problem themselves, actually happening them learn rather than just copy pasting, right? And for non-native English speakers, technical jargon or is hard. So powered by Lingota errlocal intelligently translates the entire debugging experience into multiple languages on the fly. Like let's try for German first. So it translates the problem in German. But what if it's a typo? Just select autofix. errlocal acts as an autonomous agent, rewriting the broken code in your local file instantly, preserving indentation. You literally fix bugs with a single keystroke. So you can see it just fixes the issue, right? And finally, we wanted team collaboration to be effortless. Now just hint sync cloud and your entire error context is saved to your backend. No need to even create database schemas manually. errlocal auto generates the collection natively inside the cloud. Let's try again. Yes, now it's saved. Okay. So basically, errlocal is not just an AI command line tool, it's localized context-aware debugging experience. Now let me show you the saved error in the cloud. This was the error we just encountered, right? Now let me show you the whole activity flow. So basically, when you start the CLI, it checks which command you're using, right? So when you first use it, you should enter errlocal in it. It saves your API key. Like if there's already an env file, then that's okay. But if not, then it auto creates the API file, so you don't have to create it yourself, right? And if you have hit run command, then the flow is it uses exec to run the command, then checks if the status code is equal to 0, then it then the error local exits the command line, right? If the status code is like status code, I mean process dot exit code, right? So if it's not equal to 0, then it parses directory, identify local source files, read file snippets, then sends it to Groq AI, parse suggestion differentiations, then it shows the menu to the user. Like there's explain error, autofix translates into cloud exit. To show to use the hints, just click on explain error. It display the beautiful UI, then it loops to menu loop. Okay. If you use translate sync to cloud exit, whatever the thing is. So this was the whole activity flow of the error local. You can check out the GitHub Repo as well. You just do these things. Install it globally, init it, then run it, then interact with the terminal. That's it. So, thank you. Let's end.